Welcome to the Overnight Membership Site Training, Module 2, Construction. In this module, I'll show you how to set up a fully functional membership site in just 10 minutes. We're going to create these sites at a very low cost. Your only expenses will be a domain name, which you can get from GoDaddy for about $10. You'll need a hosting account. You can get that from HostGator for about $10 a month. And you'll need an autoresponder. You can either use a self-hosted solution or a service. I use Aweber. I think they're about $20 a month. You can also use GetResponse. They're similar pricing. Now we're going to create these sites literally in 10 minutes. They're very, very quick. And the reason we do that is we want to test our ideas before we actually invest time and money into them. So we want to create a site very quickly and try and sell some memberships. Try and actually prove that it will sell on the market before we go and buy an expensive script or before we spend a couple of weeks customizing everything. You'll notice the theme throughout this module is keeping things simple. Look, there's some really great membership site scripts on the market and they've got a lot of powerful features and they can help you make more money. But at the same time, they're usually not difficult to set up, but they can be a little bit tricky to set up. They usually take a bit of time and they'll cost you money, up to a couple of $100, up to a couple of $1,000 for some of them. And at the end of the day, 90% of the features won't be used. So we're going to keep things really simple, at least for the time being, at least until we've proven that your idea works and people are willing to pay you for your membership site. Once we've done that, then we can add complexity. But right now, we want to keep everything simple. Now, at the end of the day, there's no point setting up a site for a very low cost in 10 minutes if it doesn't get the job done. So it's really important that you know this works. These simple membership sites do work. I've built sites just like this before and they work. I've been a member of other membership sites using the exact same system I'm going to show you. One of those sites was for a $10,000 coaching program. So this model has been used by some very high level programs, very high level membership sites, and it works. It gets the job done. Now at the same time, there are lots of advanced options out there. There are some really powerful membership site scripts and they can help you make more money and they can make your life a little bit easier in the long run. So I'm going to show you some of the paid options that I've used and that I know about, and I'll give you some advice on how you can upgrade to those at a later point. There are 5 core parts to the construction module. We've got a content management system, a content protection system, a customer contact system, our payment system, and some graphics and design. Now first of all, I'll walk you through what we're going to be using for each of these systems, why we're using them, and then in the second part of the video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to set up a site with each of my recommended options.